And walk. Aww. Here's your baby goats. Say hi, guys. Oh, look at Sally all waved her, or wagged her little tail at her.
Sorry, I'm gonna get a BB gun. Start your shooting at dogs.
Well, only if they come up.
No, just right to the fence. Bam.
Pat down.
Come on.
Oh, walk around.
Say hi, guys. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Abby. Walk, walk, walk.
Come on.
Oh, he wants you to pet him.
You go pet him?
Hi, Sally. Say hi to Sally. Sally's friendly. Yeah, Sally's friendly. Look at, like, her goat knows that's her, his human. It's so cute every time.
Hey. Stop freaking biting me, dude.
Yeah, Skylar. Little nibbler. Yeah. Yeah, I want to play with you, Dad. So I'm nibbling you to get a play out of you. Come on, let's play. Let's play. Yeah, well, come on, let's get you. Oh, he's fast. What's Dada doing? Look at this, Dun. Dun. Look how many steps she's taking outside. Look at this. She's conquering her wavy fear of the bumpy ground. Nice. I've been looking forward to this for a while. Come in. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just standing there? Hi, chickens. Yeah, good. Good job, yeah. Bark, 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 bark. So nice being outside, huh? It's not cold today. Go bark, 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 bark. Just be careful, Alexa. Hey. Yeah. They do that. Yeah. Bark, 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 bark. She bark, bark. Food for her? Hi, Bubbles. Careful, careful, careful. She's on very unstanding ground. He doesn't want your ball, Aubrey. He just wants to say hi to you. Oh my goodness. Sage, what are you doing, you dork? Are you doing this intentionally? Whoa, whoa. You making fun of Max? Pet. Say hi, Sage. Careful, Abby. Good job, dude. You feeding them hay? Look how happy that goat is. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you're okay, ma'am. Up to daisies. There you go. There you go. Go ahead, feed your goats. Yeah, it's getting colder, so there's less green grass out here. So we gotta feed them a lot of extra hay. So if you want to feed them hay, hand it to your goat. And hand it to them. Go like this, sick. See, watch this, boo boos. Here you go. See? Yeah, say here you go. Say here you go, Skylar. Over here, Ethan. We got more right here, sir. Here you go. Uh-oh. Say hi, Sally. Aubrey, where's the Sally lady? Hi, Miss Sally. Oh, hi, Sage. Here comes your goat, Aubrey.
I get my goats.
Okay, sure. Taste. Say, Aubrey's like, hold on. I can walk around here. I'm a little bit more mobile. Yeah. You could also hand it to them, Aubrey.
Oh, here I am.
Just follow your brother, Aubrey. Look at my two cute little farm kids. Look at Sally. Alexa. Alexa, where'd you go, Alexa? Don't drop stuff down there. You already dropped a bottle down there. Don't put stuff down there. It doesn't come back out. It's a big tunnel. Don't put stuff down there, yeah. Don't put stuff down there. That's how you lost your sister's bottle.
That tunnel?
Yeah, it's a big, huge, long tunnel. Don't put things in there. Look at you, just exploring the world. Yay! Alright, guys. Let's go inside. You want your snack? We forgot all about snack. We just unloaded it and came out and played. Let's go eat, Aubrey. You want to go eat, Boo-Boos?